What's up, y'all? It's your boy Saint again with another Black Studios video, vlog, whatever you want to call this. Last time I left y'all, last episode, we were working on the bags. Like I've told you guys, we had pretty much all the fronts and backs done for, laying the stuff on. It's all stuffed up. I will be restuffing these as we continue to add like little panels that you see right here. So yeah, what I'm gonna do this week is I'm gonna focus on trying to get these bags done as fast as possible. Like I said, we're only making 3 bags, and like I said at the end of the video, last video, I will be dropping these bags this month, the end of the month, hopefully. I'm pretty sure these will be done by the end of the month, so we will be dropping these on the website. So again, link in the description. You guys can go check out some other products that are also on the website as well. But yeah, so I'm gonna start off with adding the white portions of the ears on all front faces of the bag, and then we're gonna just attach the mouth, and then we're just gonna slowly attach every little piece, and then hopefully we'll get all the front pieces done. So let me start doing that right now. We finished the ear portions of all the bags, so here they are. This is the other one, this is 2, and this last one, this is the 3rd one. Boom, boom, boom. So now that those are complete, I'm going to attach the cross onto the head, and then we're gonna attach the mouth, and then we're gonna work on everything else after that to get the alignment on every single piece correctly. So let's start doing that now. So far they're coming out pretty clean. Process is gonna be a little bit longer since I have to do each one individually, so that's 3 times I gotta replicate every single thing. So I'm trying to take my time so everything stays organized. So let's get to that.
Say you could snap your fingers and be wherever you wanted to be. I bet you'd still feel this way, not in the right place. Point is, you can't get so hung up on where you'd rather be that you forget how to make the most of where you are.
Alright, I'm a little tired, not gonna lie. I had to cut the highlights for that sewing little session because it's kind of really hard to sew those. I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. I didn't enjoy that. I actually had a really hard time sewing it. But here we go. So this is what they look like. I do have to restuff them, but I'll do that as I continue to sew the faces together. So this is what they all look like so far. Kind of see. They do need some more stuffing in certain areas, you see these areas. But don't worry about that. I will get to that later. But what we're going to do now is we're going to attach the mouths so that we have the placement of the mouths. And then we're going to do the eyes, and then we're going to do the stripes. And then once we have all those things put together, that's when I'm going to do the whole cutting it up and putting some more stuffing on the inside so that it fills out the whole face. But for now, let's just focus on getting the face put together. So we're going to just put the mouth in there and then have the placement for that and then add the eyes. So let's go do that right now. Okay guys, so what we did right now, what I did so far, listen, now don't get mad at me, but I sewed the mouths together, right, onto the face, and then I ended up behind the cameras, off camera, I started sewing the eyes. So this is what they look like, boom. All I gotta do is add the stripes. So this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one. Yeah, they low-key stressed me out, so I kind of wanted to just sew them off camera and get them as fast as done as fast as possible. So all I got to do now is add the stripes onto the face, and then we're gonna start attaching the bags together, and this will be, you know, fairly simple. I hope I can get it done this week. I'm pretty sure I can get it done this week, but we'll see how fast I can sew. So now what I'm gonna do, like I said, is I'm gonna attach the stripes, and we're gonna see how that comes out. Let's do this.
I don't know who needs to hear this, but you are a being of love. The simple fact that you exist here on this plane with me and others is an act of love. The fact that you are able to get up every morning, nourish yourself, and keep it pushing is an act of love. Sometimes it may not feel that way. Other times it may feel like it is just not there. But I need you to come back to full center and understand that you are love.
Left y'all off with me sewing stripes. Finally got them completed for each single one of them. So these are now all done, ready to be sewn on to the rest of the bag. So now that I got all those completed, I'm gonna work on the back real quick, and I'm gonna sew the logos onto the back, and then we're going to start working on the side seams. I'm gonna probably do some more touching up with the stuffing on these front faces a little bit off camera, just so that they're a little bit more plush in certain areas. And then we're gonna start attaching the side seams after we start getting that sewed up, and I gotta stuff them. I didn't stuff them at all yet. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and then hopefully we'll start putting the bag together and get finished. So let's get to that. I'm tired, so let's get to that. So what we're working on now, like I said, gotta work on the welt pockets. So I don't think I've even discussed about the welt pockets. This is gonna be the first time I'm gonna be working on the welt pockets. So I have the welt pockets marked up. I did the whole side seam for the bags. So here's the welt pocket that's gonna be marked right here. It's not really the best you can see. I'm trying. There you go. It's a little bright, but like it's there. So all I have to do is just use these little strips. I ran out of orange, so we're gonna be using black, and it's kind of gonna match up with the stripe for the head. So that's why I'm gonna be using it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make the welt pockets. I'm not gonna really give a whole tutorial about how to make a welt pocket. If you really want to know how to make a welt pocket, literally just Google it, watch a YouTube video. That's what I had to do, but it's all right. So I'm gonna make the welt pocket right now. We're gonna see how well they come out, and then after that we're gonna stuff the side seams, and then we're gonna finally attach the side seams to the front of the bag, and we're gonna do it to the back of the bag, and then we're gonna put the strap on like how you see right there, and then these are gonna be done. Let's see how fast it takes though, because I ain't gonna lie, the hardest part was to make the face, but putting it all together is gonna be the worst. So let's see how fast I can do that. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so I got some sad news. We're not finishing the bag this week. I'm sorry. I was working on the welt pockets. I got 2 done. So this is what they look like with the black trim. That was the first one. This is the second one. And I'm currently working on the 3rd one, but I've ran out of thread. So I need to go to the store, and it's late at night, and I gotta go to the store to buy some more thread to finish this off. So this is gonna be where we're heading at, like this. So this is what it looks like. I just need to finish doing the top stitching for that, but because we're not done and because we don't have enough thread, we can't finish the project this week. But that means next week the project's gonna be done. That's something to look forward to. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I say every video, I hope that these videos do inspire you guys, even if you don't want to be a fashion designer. Whatever you want to do in this life, I hope that you stay consistent and discipline yourself to get things that you need to get accomplished. It's late. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning. I try to get this stuff done for you guys. It didn't end up working out, but that's okay and that's fine. Like I said, we're going to finish this bag next week, so hopefully you guys get to see the end process by next week so that we can drop the bags the last week of March. Like around the 30th, the 31st, we'll probably drop the bag. That's a Thursday or Wednesday or Thursday. That's like last week. So hopefully these bags will be done and completed. Like I said, I have to go to the store. I gotta go buy some orange thread because I ran out, and that's literally the last bit of stuff in construction that we're gonna do for the bag. Put it all together. But besides that, I'm gonna do the stuffing as well for the side scenes, behind the scenes, behind the camera, while you guys, you know, enjoy this content. I'm babbling at this point. I'm so sorry. It's late. You can tell I'm tired. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys, you know, like the video, subscribe, all that jazz. Black Studios behind the scenes. I love you guys. Y'all take care. Y'all make my day. Hopefully you guys, I already said it. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. You guys take care. Black Studios. It's your boy Saint. That's it.